Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create drop down menu in Shopify. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to left panel which you have here. So here we have the option content. Just click on that. Underneath we have the option menus. So open that up, and here we need to click on main menu, and just right here on this window we're gonna create drop down menu. So here you can see these are menu items. Like if I go and show you my store, so this is the store which I have, and these are main menus. So just right here we're gonna add the main menu first, and then only we're gonna add drop down list. So firstly what we need to do in order to add main menu, just click on this one and just name your main menu. I'm gonna name it explore. Then here you need to search or paste the link of the thing which you wanna show people when they gonna click on explore button. In my case that would be all of my products, so I'll just select that from here. Okay, I'll just select all products and just click on OK. Now at this point the explore button, or you can say main menu, is successfully created, and under this menu we're gonna create two sub menu. One is for men and the second would be for women's. So for that we need to just click on add main menu item again, name it main. Then just similarly we're gonna choose the link, so that would be here in the collection. So this is the one, main clothing. Once you paste the link, just click on this done button. Similarly we're gonna add the second sub menu which is for women. We're gonna go to collection, choose the women clothing, click on done button. So now we have created two sub menus which gonna be get under explore button. So for that you just need to hold on this icon and just put it just underneath of explore, and similarly we're gonna drag this and put this under this one like this. Click on done button again, and yeah, there you have it. We got two sub menus under the explore button. By following the same way you can add multiple sub menus if you want, but in my case I just wanna add two sub menus. Now under these two sub menus I wanna add more menus. Like under main I wanna add shirts and jeans. So firstly we need to click on this option again. I'm gonna type shirts here, go to link and choose the collection or whatever you wanna add here. So it would be shirts. Click on the done button. Now it's time for jeans. Okay, click on the done button again. Let me scroll a bit. Okay, now we're gonna put this under main. So just hold a left click here and just put this under main just like this. Click on the done button. Similarly we're gonna put the jeans here. Okay, now following the same way we're gonna add shorts and t-shirts under women. Well, at this point I'm good to go, so we need to save these changes. For that just click on the save button and just click on save again. Go to my store, and if I refresh the page you can see that we got the explore button in main menu section. So if we expand that, we have two sections here, men and women, and underneath we have added more menus. And yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you can create drop down menu in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.